What's up, guys? It's me, Umair. So the question is that will the free Smartly MBA will help you in a success or career development? Number one, no one will give you a damn. It's much better you read the book called My Personal MBA or you do the crash course by the same author who write the My Personal MBA. I think I bought how much for $5,000 back in the day MBA crash course. The best investment ever invested in my life. It's much better you pick up some books and read it. You buy an MBA for dummies. Do not waste your time. You are not wasting your money. It's a free MBA. No one really cares. It's a smartly free MBA. They try to act like a university. They have stupid requirement. You need to have a bachelor's degree. Who really care the hell? Who the hell care about their requirement? Do not waste your money. No one even care about like a Harvard MBA nowadays. No one care even about a really good quality prestige MBA. No one want the stupid stuff you are learning. People want the result 101. The world is moving fast. People want innovation. Innovation cannot come from MBA. MBA just try to confine your information. There are some good MBA like entrepreneurship MBA. There are some okay, but smartly free MBA you're wasting your time. Please, it's much better you get a degree, you get a master degree from the university of people. I mean, smartly free MBA is another like startup. I mean, they come up with the idea we're going to offer a free MBA, but we are going to have some requirement. They want to earn their money. I'm not calling a scam. I'm just saying it's not worth it. Okay, subscribe and bye.